What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a pretty cool video for you guys. Just picked this up. Got the Cobb access port. To a lot of people, the Cobb access port might be a little confusing at first on how to install it and just how to work it in general. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install it onto your car and get you set up quick. So let's get right into it. Alright, first step is to plug it into the OBD port. Now the OBD port is just right under the steering wheel, right here. That's what this little hole is for. Alright guys, then it's going to turn on just like this and hit this button to continue and then hit the center button to install. Now put your ignition into the on position, just into accessory, and then make sure the access port matches your car. So yep, I have a 2004 Impreza WRX. Hit continue, and then what you're going to want to do is choose your tune. So these are corresponding with the fuel grades you have. So if at most of your gas stations the most premium you have is 93, choose the stage 1 93. But if you only have 91 like us here in Kansas, choose 91. And then the ACN is for people in Arizona. So just click stage 1, and then a battery charger is recommended. Please turn off the headlights and climate control. So turn off all your AC, everything. Make sure your headlights are off and dash light, because this could drain your battery. And then hit continue. And now it says please connect initiation mode connector. And that's gonna be this little guy, which your package should have come with. So connect it to the other connector. So if you go under the driver's side, it's that white one right there. So just plug your little dummy connector into that open white one. Just like that. Come back up to the access port and hit continue. And now it says please connect the green test mode connectors. So those are under the dash as well. So those, the green test connectors, these two right here. So just connect those up. So make sure you hear a click on the two green connectors. Come back up to the access port. And as you can see, it's saving the factory ECU in case you uninstall this. So just wait for it to reach 100. All right, after it flashes the ECU, it'll tell you to take the white initialization tab out. So just the one that you plugged into that other white end, just take it back out. All right, hit continue. And now disconnect the two test mode connectors. So those two green things under the dash, disconnect those again. Continue, and it's successful. And now turn your ignition key to off. Hit continue, and you're done. All right guys, that's it. It's a pretty simple process. Hope you guys learned something. Access port is an amazing platform, amazing way to get extra horsepower out of your Subaru WRX. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you guys liked, commented, and subscribed. That's it for now, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.